You get it, yeah.
Can you guys start giving the pink one as the last one, because I love the color pink. Listen, you guys could have put me in cuffs, so.
Nah, it's...
Which, honestly, I don't know how to ride a bike, so that would have been good for you anyway.
On August 9th, 2025, a routine patrol turned into a simple but instructive example of how local ordinances are enforced in American towns. This case isn't about drama, it's about public conduct, local law, and accountability. While patrolling the 100 block of 18th Avenue, Officer Ethan Sealand observed an individual later identified as Gabriella Hadzovic squatting between two parked cars and urinating in public view.
I'm gonna need your license.
I get it. I just couldn't hold it for 3 more seconds.
There's literally a porta-john right down the edge there.
I know, and honestly, I was gonna get about a bladder infection. How much is this ticket? Can I get a discount?
Alright. Want a code?
Nah, I don't.
Alright.
How much is it though? Can you give me a?
That's up to the
You're
courts.
not gonna arrest me though?
No.
Oh, thank God.
It's a borough ordinance. It's a parking ticket, pretty much.
Oh, thank God.
Yeah,
I'm
you're
sorry.
an
I couldn't hold it, and men pee anywhere, so I just kind of.
But they get the same tickets.
On the corner.
Did I really?
Oh yeah, we get.
What do you mean?
We get urination in public. It's the same ticket no matter.
Honestly, it was either that or a bladder infection.
But like you go like literally 2 houses down the corner, there's a porta potty right there.
You think I know
Just
that,
outside
babe?
Mama Lou's?
What, babe?
Were you just outside Mama Lou's?
No.
That pizza place?
No. Yo,
I have no idea.
if you see a cop, you can ask somebody.
You think I was thinking about that? Halfway through, I was like, yo, this shit actually fucking hurts. But then when you go into DJ's, it smells so bad that I don't even want to go down there.
Right.
I hope I'm a nice person that you're like, that ticket.
You're good.
It could be worse, right?
Yeah,
it could be a lot worse.
Oh, thank God.
Yeah, it's literally just like a ticket. It's just like a parking ticket, basically.
Yes, and it was on your body cam footage. You can't really hide it.
Yeah, unfortunately not.
I'm not, listen, you have my ID though, right?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
Yes.
My life could be worse. You could have arrested me, right?
Yeah, this is probably your best case scenario.
No, I appreciate it, honestly. Shit, if I got arrested, my mother would have beat my ass.
Yeah, like I said, this is pretty much a glorified parking ticket.
No, I honestly think that people who have peed in public have gotten worse tickets than me, so I do appreciate this kind of little leverage. I really do appreciate it.
Yeah.
I just physically, honestly, I knew I was probably going to get a ticket. I couldn't hold it anymore. It hurt. Sometimes when you gotta go, you gotta go.
Yeah.
Straight up. But, you know, if you gotta pay for it, it's whatever. It's whatever. Do you guys enjoy being cops? Well, in Belmar during the summer, I would kill myself.
It's definitely
It's not
busy.
terrible. You get good experience, so.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Wait, are you guys first year cops?
Yeah.
Oh, so next year, where do you plan to be? Like for a department or still for Belmar?
Full time somewhere, hopefully. So.
Yeah.
After the individual stood up, the officer noticed a wet area between the vehicles, which further supported his observation. In law enforcement, direct observation combined with physical evidence establishes probable cause for ordinance enforcement.
You guys will get there. I mean, look at me. I'm on your record now. You gotta make a joke out of it, right?
Yeah,
you gotta laugh when you
you're
can.
very understanding, which is nice.
Oh no, I 100% knew I was going to get a ticket because I knew you guys were biking down here, but I physically couldn't hold it. So, is what it is. Is what it is. Listen, you guys could have put me in cuffs, so.
Nah, it's...
Which, honestly, I don't know how to ride a bike, so that would have been good for you anyway.
But we've had people that have urinated and then tried to run away, and that's not.
Oh no, see, I
Yeah, it
accepted my
just escalated
fate.
it,
Like, I
yeah.
knew it was coming. And I know when you did the little spinny vlog, I was like, yeah, that's what it is. Where am I gonna go? Where am I gonna hide? It's like Indiana Jones over here.
Yeah, it's if you want to get out and before the craziness, you can leave like 20 minutes early. You won't feel any of this.
Yeah. You know what's crazy? I did, but I got pizza.
Where at?
That's what did me.
DJ's or Mama Luke's?
Mama Luke's.
No, they don't crisp it up enough at DJ's. It's like gooey pizza, and I can't do that.
Yeah.
Like, it's actually disgusting. And honestly, Mama Luke's has more flavor. 100%. But normally, I always get ice cream, but I wasn't feeling the ice cream today.
It's a little cold.
No, yeah, I wasn't feeling it today. Also, I got a vaping ticket on the boardwalk. 3 summers ago.
I'm assuming Point Pleasant?
Yes. Can I just say that the speed you're writing my ticket at is significantly faster than the rent-a-cop because he took 2 hours. I missed last call and pizza.
Damn.
And I think it was just really.
Yeah, Point Pleasant. They don't mess around with
Wait,
those.
can I just say what's so funny? I texted a group of my friends 2 months ago for a TikTok trend. I was like, what would I get, or I think it was like, if I got arrested, what would I get arrested for? Because like I'm not the type of person to get arrested.
Right.
And they were like, peeing in public. So I was like, yeah, well, at least I'm not getting arrested, but I did get a ticket for it. Honestly, I'm like, kind of excited to tell my mom this.
This woman seemed very happy to receive her parking ticket. She even wanted to tell her mother about it. Looks like someone's in for a surprise tonight.
And she can't be mad at me. It was just my birthday. Like, come on. You're the one that birthed me. My life could be worse. Wait, do I have to go to court though?
No.
Oh.
It's you paid on a website.
Oh,
There's a
thank
website,
God,
or you could
'cause
just call
I don't
the
have time
number.
to go like take off and go to court. I already used my
no.
PTO days.
Nah, you're good.
Thank
You don't have to do
God.
that.
On the bright side, this could be worse.
Yeah, it could be a lot worse.
Wait, but like how much are we talking?
We don't. The court handles all
all
that.
up to the
Ugh.
courts. Yeah,
Well-
they're the ones that decide the pricing.
Wait, why'd you write it on 4 different colored papers? What does that mean?
They bleed through for copies for each.
Oh.
Court copy, our copy.
Well, can I have the pink one then?
No.
Nah, you get the last one. It's
Yeah,
cardboard.
you
Take
get
it,
yeah.
Can you guys start giving the pink one as the last one because I love the color pink. She's just saying she loves the color pink. You know what, my life could be worse. Also, I'm like the baby of the family, so like no one's really gonna yell at me.
Unlike state or federal law, borough ordinances regulate everyday behavior at the local level. Ordinance 16-12.1.f specifically prohibits urination in public spaces. Because this was a non-violent, non-criminal ordinance violation, the officer issued a summons instead of making an arrest. This is standard practice across most U.S. municipalities.
Listen, I would never get arrested, but if I did get arrested, I would print my face on a mugshot. But I don't know what I would get arrested for.
I think we should do 19, or should we just do the 26, right?
Either one doesn't matter.
I'll give you some extra time to pay for it as well.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I appreciate that so much because I don't be getting
Yeah,
paid like
26,
crazy like that. The
Yeah, we'll give you an
terrorists are fucking up my job.
I'll give you an extra week to.
Thank you.
I like this girl, Brew. She is very humble after finishing peeing. I loved.
Oh my God, I really appreciate that. Thank you so much.
Yeah, so I'm making it for the August 26th.
Oh,
so it gives
period.
you plenty of time.
That definitely
Yeah.
gives me plenty of time. Thank you guys. That's
No problem.
How long is it before you pay a parking ticket? Because I forgot to pay a parking ticket like when I got it last month, and I don't know how long it is. Which
you should
keep
be
in
able to
mind, I
still
paid on
pay.
the app though.
Oh, then you should be able to call
you should have been able to call them like, oh, I
call
got
the court and then
Yeah.
just
Oh,
show.
like I have a screenshot of the fucking receipt.
Yeah, you could have gone in there and be like, hey, I paid for it, and they'll just.
I didn't even think of that because I ended up getting strep throat like the day after, so I
sorry to
kind
hear
of was
that.
just vibing, whatever.
Yeah, there's literally that's the website on the back.
Oh,
of the
you guys are
ticket.
such nice cops.
So there's
I don't
your
even
vote.
have to pee anymore.
So what this is it asks for simple information. It takes about 3 to 4 days to put in the system because
Okay.
maybe put them in manually.
So when I type it in, it won't come in until.
Not right away.
Okay.
Yeah, so give it 2 to 3 days. It's gonna ask for simple information. Court ID, which is 1307. So that's for the Belmar. That's because we're split town.
Yeah.
And then it's gonna ask for prefix, SBL, and then the court complaint number, which is the ticket number. And then all you have to do is plug that information into this website right here. And then once, like I said, 3 to 4 days, all the information will pop up the ticket, and it'll ask for payment method, and you just pay, and that's it.
Oh, perfect.
Ordinance violations are typically handled in municipal court. These courts deal with minor offenses such as parking violations, noise complaints, and public conduct issues.
There you go.
Well, honestly, I defeated bladder infection. Thank you guys. I appreciate
Yep.
you. I did lose my phone in this process. Oh, I know who has it. But anyway, thank you. I'm
Yes.
gonna smile really big near this. And thank you for not arresting me and being assholes. Love
No
you guys so
problem.
much.
Have a
What
great
was your
one.
favorite arrest tonight? Or whatever this is. Love you.
Have a good one.
On September 22, 2025, Gabriella pleaded guilty in Belmar Municipal Court and paid a fine of $350. Pleading guilty often resolves these cases quickly without prolonged legal proceedings. This was not her first ordinance violation. In July of 2023, she was ticketed in Point Pleasant Beach for smoking in public, a violation of Ordinance 339, and paid a $200 fine. While prior ordinance violations don't necessarily increase penalties automatically, they can influence how strictly future violations are addressed, especially if they indicate a pattern. Public conduct ordinances exist to maintain cleanliness, safety, and shared standards in community spaces. Enforcement isn't about punishment, it's about maintaining order in densely populated areas.